Action!
Action. What you want to give us a little update on what you got going, what you got up your sleeve there? In this area over a little closer. Getting warmer.
Bammo! Alright, we're working on some bracketry to get these seats in here because we're going to the National Maverick and Comet Show tomorrow in Springfield, Illinois. Well, what we need to do is make sure that these rear bolts
Are on the...
like even, and they both, this very rear one lands on this. So we need to mark
Those two spots.
Drill all the way through, scoot the seat back, since we'll have the back mounted already. Scoot the seat back after we get it bolted in, and then sort out the front.
Boom.
Boom.
Guess we'll need this over here.
Dude with the Cougar.
Ooh, but do we have bolts?
Dude with the Cougar.
Oh yeah, nice. His name's Jake.
Jake?
Now, I'm glad he stopped by, but we can't let him derail what we're doing.
I know.
Man, that thing's cleaner than I thought you were when you were talking about it.
You can really see right there.
Oh wow, no kidding.
Yep.
So what year is this, a 70?
67.
67?
Yep, first year for the Cougar.
Oh, that's right, you said that. Hell yeah. Man, you got interior and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, not me. Mine looks like crap on the inside. We're gonna let a little thing like running out of welding wire stop us?
Hell no.
Hell no. So, what happened? As soon as we started.
As soon as I started, I got like a little spot weld, teeny tiny little bead going on, and it was like, bleh.
How do you not know better to be buying such small things of wire?
Well, when I was buying the last spool of wire, Chuck was like, stop spending all my money, Joe. So I went for the smaller spool that day. I think that day though, in Chuck's defense, he probably spent about 1,200 bucks.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Most cars run on fuel and air. This one runs on my cash.
Hey, you remember that time we ran out of welding wire?
When that time we were trying to hurry up and get seats in to go to the car show?
Yeah, that time. Oh, wait a minute. Is that now?
Yeah, that's today.
That's today?
Today.
Today! So I'm thinking that maybe it might behoove us to run a small bead in here. What do you think?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I think so.
So what we're doing here is we're gonna weld that to the bottom of the seat rail and drop a bolt through the floor. Right, Joe?
Yes. Yes, that's what we're doing.
Where's one of the ones from the other side? On this other side, we folded these over to create this angle so we could also weld that to the bottom of the seat track and run a bolt in right there. Junker life.
It's tough being a junker.
This rail.
Priorities and decisions made. Yes, they're very crude. Very rudimentary.
They're just tacked right now.
They're just tacked right now, but yeah, we're gonna weld it up. We're going to the car show.
Dude, this is actually good, man. I mean, this is gonna work perfect, you know?
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure I got rickrolled this morning though.
You just got rickrolled?
Watch out now. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother. All right, we got everything we need to do.
We got a little.
I think it's something sweet back by, but I think we're good.
I think we got everything.
I'm gonna do one last sweep.
Okay, everybody, hold on to your butts. We're going to the car show. We literally just finished the Maverick and made it safely drivable minutes ago. And we're taking it straight to a car show. 90 miles away. And away we go. Oh, Chuck's switching it up, wearing a hat. That time. Maverick, 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 Maverick. Houston, we have a problem. We are literally a mile away from the Maverick show. The transmission is not cooperating. This is the face of disappointment.
Damn, I didn't even bring like a rag or anything. You got any napkins or anything? Probably not.
She goes. All right, we're gonna try this again. See if we can get there. Okay, folks, we made it. They weren't exactly clear about the venue's location, but we found it. They were tucked back in the cut.
So Joe, where's the vibration coming from, you think?
I don't know, but I had my suspicions that the drive shaft bolts found their way loose.
Oh man, they're about to fall out.
Yeah.
Oh, we got that. Oh, they're that adjustable wrench ain't gonna work either, is it?
No.
Damn.
And this is why you put Loctite on these.
Yeah.
And well, we kind of forgot before we left the house to do that. Yeah, about those 7 Ps. It might be a 12. I can get it tight enough with what I got in my hand for us to get to the next town.
Yeah.
To get the proper wrench.
Well, now we know.
And knowing is half the battle. Alright, so you might be wondering why we're in sunny, beautiful Carlinville, Illinois, which is in the middle of a cornfield, in the middle of nowhere. The drive shaft bolts were loose, and this was the closest town with a proper parts store. So we must get some Loctite and a tool to properly torque these drive shaft bolts. So, here we go.
Just how loose were those bolts, Joe?
Falling out. Like,
And whose job was it to put them in?
Chuck's. Hey, did you put Loctite on those, Chuck? No?
There wasn't any factory Loctite left on them?
You had one job. You had one job. All you had to do was make sure we got Loctite and they were torqued down. It's a dart.
Is it?
It's a
Where's
dart.
the ace hardener at?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the friggin' curb at O'Reilly's to do
Ah, the trials and tribulations of being a junker.
Oh, the packaging makes it a little hard to... Oh, this is too small.
Too small?
Yep. Yep, that's too small.
All right, wait one. Give me that. I'll go get a different one. Here, you talk to the camera.
Man, I ain't never put no Loctite on no drive shaft bolts before. This is what happens. You end up like this. You know, you really start to question your life choices when you find yourself in Carlinville, Illinois on your back under your car. Start to wonder, why do I have this Maverick? Why did I put this motor in it? How did I get here?
Okay, provisions had. What's going on out here? What kind of mad junkerish business is this?
Who parks like that?
Who parks like that?
You got to think like a Boy Scout when you're mad junkering.
Yes. Yes. Only we didn't this time because we weren't prepared.
Right. You got a pocket knife on you?
You know I got a pocket knife on me.
Cut up
Oh, blister pack. I guess you can get to the ones you can get to and then we'll roll the car forward or backward.
Wonder if I'm gonna have any trouble breaking them loose.
Ah! Put it on. Action.
They twisted all up in weird directions.
So what happened, Chuck?
Somebody didn't tighten the hose clamps on the transmission lines enough.
Who was that?
Transmission guy.
The
I
transmission
ain't no
guy.
transmission guy.
Yeah, let's just drive it, run what we run. It didn't leak out that much. We're only a few miles from home.
I think we should at least check it.
What, check the fluid?
Yeah. Check
Oh,
the
yeah.
fluid. To Springfield, Illinois. Maverick Roundup. MCCI. Dun 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 dun.
Joe got a new shirt.
So what did we learn? Put
Loctite
Put
on your
Loctite
drive shaft
on the-
bolts when they're a flange.
yeah.
The U-strap type bolts usually have a lock nut on them, but Ford in their wisdom decided to go with a heavier design, which is flange to flange, and a bolt that goes through the drive shaft yoke and into a flange on the transmission.
Yes.
Great design, very strong.
Do yourself a favor, put Loctite on there. Amazingly, that car went many miles without that falling out of there, though.
Yes. Well, we noticed that the driveline vibrations started getting worse, and I was like, nah, maybe we ought to check this.
Yeah, by the time we left the show on the road on the way back, it was getting pretty bad. It was pretty hard to deal with. Let's see, what else did we learn in the video? Oh, 2007 Mustang seats will fit in a Maverick.
They will. Quite well, in fact.
If you're going to do a lot of welding, buy the bigger spool.
Yes, buy the bigger spool. Do not, okay, I cannot stress this enough to you folks. The major mistake I made when Chuck bought this welder was that I used the sample spool of wire
Oh, yeah.
that came with the welder, and I cannot stress this enough. It is crap.
It's garbage.
Do not use it. Just pitch it in the garbage. Well, don't pitch it in the garbage. Use it for mechanics wire or,
Yeah.
you know, some other use other than
Welding.
welding. Yes.
Yeah.
So, lesson learned. Hobart, your sample wire sucks.
It sucks.
This sucks.
Maybe take a few more extra tools next time. Some stuff that didn't make it on camera was whenever the 50 years of pine cone needles released themselves from the HVAC vent. Yeah, I can't remember if it came out of the defroster or the floor vents, but it was unbelievable.
It was bad.
So yeah, the transmission thing just ended up being a loose hose. We just drove it home like that. It smoked the whole way home, but did not catch on fire, so just ended up putting new hose clamps on that and it fixed that.
And, you know, as far as the missing footage goes, you know, that's really a shame because we met an incredible group of people.
Yeah.
I mean, they were so accepting and they were really liking our project going on here. You know, one guy even said, what do you say? I like it when they're like this because you can see their bones or something like that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know, incredible group of people. Can't say enough about how welcome we felt.
Yeah. But all in all, it was fun.
Yes, very fun. It was a good opportunity to stretch her legs.
Mm-hmm.
Get her ready for Kentucky coming up. Watch for the video to drop.
Yeah.
We're taking it to Ford Fest, Bowling Green, Kentucky at the end of September. Y'all are welcome to come on out if you got a Maverick or anything powered by Ford. And if you don't, you got to leave it in the parking lot and just come on in and be a spectator.
Yeah, we're gonna have one more video before that. Hopefully the springs.
Yeah.
Putting in the springs, and then probably the one after that's going to be going to this Kentucky car show.
It's going to be cool.
All right, that's a wrap.
All right, that's a wrap.